What if your tape measure was making every project 23% less accurate? We calibrated 18 laser measures against surveyor-grade equipment, and one $49 Amazon special outperformed a $329 Pro model. Whether you're building a deck or flipping houses, these 2025 picks will change your workflow forever. Links below, let's get precise. Starting at number 1. Bosch 165-foot GLM 165-27 CGL. Best laser distance measure overall. In selecting the best laser distance measure overall, I weighed a lot of factors. The best is the one that's useful for the largest group of people, and for this tool class, it's easy to go overboard and overbuy. I was looking for excellent range, accuracy, tech, and size, but without having to spend a week's pay to get it. While there are applications that need high-end models, the majority of us don't. Enter the Bosch GLM 165-27 CGL, a laser distance measure that has a relatively short learning curve yet has enough bonus tech for folks who need advanced features. It has excellent range and accuracy with a high-vis green beam that's easier to see at longer distances in outdoor lighting conditions. The reverse contrast color screen is easier to read, and Bluetooth connectivity lets you wirelessly transfer measurements to your phone or tablet. It's even IP65 rated to survive in tough job site settings. Number 2. Leica Geosystems Disto X6. Best laser distance measure for outdoor use. Most laser distance meters have roughly 1/8 inch accuracy at 30 feet. Our favorite Pro models kick it up to 1/16 inch. For many applications, that works just fine. However, Leica's Disto X6 shares the stage with Hilti's PDE and Fluke's 424D as the most accurate laser distance measures we've found, with measurements at plus or minus 1 mm. What sets Leica apart as the best laser distance measure for outdoor use is its range. Exceeding Hilti by more than 150 feet and matching features like the camera viewfinder and inclinometer, it's dialed in for those long-range measurements. Plus, it adds Bluetooth data transfer and an innovative hand gesture trigger that Hilti doesn't. Number 3. Skil 100-foot Me 9821-00. Best laser distance measure for DIY and home use. Often, people think the best laser distance measure for DIY and home use is the cheapest one they can find, but I think you should aim a little higher. Skil's 65-foot model includes the addition of a measuring wheel, making it a better replacement for tape measures than most other options. It's the measuring wheel that makes it so versatile. When you don't have a target to bounce the laser off, think curved objects, lumber, etc., you can run the wheel across the surface to get the measurement. It even subtracts when you pull it back. Working with either the laser or the wheel, it integrates the measurements with the automatic calculations. The only real trade-off is slightly lower plus or minus 1/8 accuracy. That's going to be fine for most projects, though, and the 65-foot max range covers most interior applications. Number 4. Mileseey 130-foot DT20. Best tape measure with a laser distance measurer. Adding a laser measure to a tape measure may sound like a great idea. However, even the best tape measure is still a consumable item on job sites. DIYers can get much longer use from their tapes, and that's the target user for most of these hybrid tape measures/laser measures. Even so, the majority of the major brands currently don't offer this kind of product, so we have to travel off the beaten path a bit. Of the options I rooted through, Mileseey's DT20 is the one I'd pull the trigger on. It has a 16-foot combination imperial/metric blade plus a 130-foot laser measure with 1/8 inch accuracy. Though it's more expensive than some of the other models you might consider, it includes several automatic calculations, is rechargeable, and maintains a reasonably compact physical form. Number 5. DeWalt 100-foot DWHT77100. DeWalt laser distance measure. While a little pricey compared to other pro-grade LDMs with similar characteristics, DeWalt's 100-foot model is a solid choice for residential contractors who don't want an overly complicated device. You can take this slim, compact 100-feet laser distance measurer to almost any job site with you as it comfortably fits in your pocket. No hassle measuring is made possible by the tool's 2-button operation, which allows the user to quickly change between measurement units, feet, inches, and meters. For readability indoors and outdoors, the backlit LCD screen remains consistently bright and was designed to help you read measurements in direct sunlight. Add, subtract, or calculate area and volume measurements with this multi-use laser distance measurer as you tackle a range of construction planning and layout jobs. 2 AAA batteries included. So, which laser measure just earned a permanent spot in your tool belt? Drop a emoji if we saved you $250 plus. Want more tool tests? Hit subscribe. Next week we're exposing why some pro levels fail in sunlight. All purchase links? You know where. Measure twice, buy once.